Yo, what's up, man? Welcome back to the Rad Skate Park Check-In New York City edition. I'm back like spaghetti. Back in BK. I'm Vincent Basile from Rad Boardsport Co. If you guys don't know, you can call me Vinny if you want. Right now we're at the BOROUGHS Skate Park. Brooklyn, forget about it. Yo, you forget about it. We're here, we didn't forget about it. Before I get going, I want to give a shout out to my man Gustavo, who just recently got in a crazy, horrific car accident. We really love that guy. I just want everyone to wish Gustavo a speedy recovery, and we're glad that he's still here with us, and just, you know, help us wish him some well wishes. That being said, we love you, Goose. Get well fast. Back to what we're doing. We're just gonna get in this park and show you what we do here. I don't know if I forgot anything. Episode 13.
Brooklyn, New York.
BK, Brooklyn.
Broward.
My cousin Vinny. Everyone's got a cousin Vinny. You got Tony. Come on, let's get in here. Welcome to the park. It's pretty shady here, except for one person. It's pretty empty. Look, right off the bat, a bank that's not quite a quarter pipe. There's no coping on the top. It's got a pretty steep incline. And it's right here. Yo, what up? I got my man.
Isaiah.
Is this your local?
This is the local.
Okay.
Very close by.
All right, he's the only one here shredding with us. We're gonna stack some clips. Let's go.
Sure.
Yo, have fun, bro. Just do your thing. That was a fluke. I don't like this thing. Oh, you good?
Chill,
You all right?
I definitely need to rock the fakie with that.
Let's go. Parking block alert. Get your slappies on. You never really see that in a park, but that's right there, and it's a great feature for all beginners. That's where it all starts, folks. Right there. Shout out to Coda Skateboards for dropping that off. Thank you. Guys, we got a rail here, but this rail is not cemented into the ground. It's being held down by bricks. So you can move it. It's right here, round rail, probably 8 feet long. Definitely seen these in the park before. Usually they're bolted down, but here it is. There, there, yep. There's an obstacle. Get over it. Do something. And then a skateboarder's dream. This bench right here. That bench looks amazing. I like that bench. Maybe I'll come back here one day and sit on it and have a talk with someone. got a killer dog on the loose.
He doesn't like the skateboard. He doesn't really like it.
Ooh. One more. Oh, I gotta give it one more go, bro. One more. Just one more. I swear. I won't let you down, Ant. All right, I'll let you down.
You already landed it though.
I know. One last try. Last one, and then that's it. That's it. I'm done. I landed already. There's the box. There's one similar at Forest Park. Is that concave or convex? We might have missed that class. Guys, this park is small, but it's jammed with all these little features. The slappy curb, the rail, the concave, convex box, the box right here. There's another box. And then there's another box right there. Same thing at Forest. It's here at the BOROUGHS skate park. These features are all just here.
Just gotta get speed, you got it.
I like literally just walked on here and I was like, whoa, it's there. It's a box. It's a little bit bigger than that black box. This is nice. I like that they have this here. Be careful up here, I guess. What are you gonna do? We're not getting into that. What we could get into is this quarter pipe. I don't know if you could get into it. But what I meant to say was, there it is. You're still watching? Great. Because we got the ground report here. I believe they just redid this. They resurfaced the surface from this to that.
So before it used to be all just this material for the ground, so super rough. You would have no rail, none of these boxes, not even this little curb thing. Shout out to Turtle Boy. I call me Turtle Boy on Instagram for bringing in like 90% of this stuff. Shout out all the Broward boys for paying for the floor. Everybody who donated. It's really nice now. All the new ramps in the back, this new kicker. It's like an amazing park now. They really fixed it up.
There's a lot of trees, so you got a lot of leaves. A lot of trees, a lot of leaves. Bring a broom. Who'd have thunk that shit? This is a rad spot. It's got this nice curve. You could ollie up, and then they have this built-in box. I like it. Me personally, I like it a lot. It's got 2 stairs. They put this perfect angle iron across the whole thing. This is a makeshift kicker, bank, whatever. The 2-stair wraps around, not like the other side. It's got the angle iron. This side's got the 2 set all around. So it's a perfect skate spot right here. I like to think this is training grounds. Get your tricks dialed in, folks. I want to give a shout out to Isaiah, who came here and shredded with us. He was one of the first ones here when we were here, and he was throwing down, so he got involved. Thank you, Isaiah, you're the man. Shout out to Christian from Jenkum. We love what you guys do at Jenkum. Hooking it up with the stickers, throwing down a few clips, just chatting it up with us. Thank you for hanging out. Shout out to all the homies that came down to this park to revamp it. Shout out to the homies that dropped off the curb and the boxes that were in here, the quarter pipe that was dropped off. Thank you guys. We're cutting out. We gave you a sode. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the viewers out there that watch the channel and give us great rad feedback. We appreciate you guys. We're gonna keep giving you content. Thanks for watching again. Please hit that like button, subscribe. While you're at it, you're sitting there, you might as well hit the button. Don't cost you anything. We're on Instagram at Rad Boardsport Co. We're also on Facebook, more on Instagram than Facebook. You can find our merchandise at www.radboardsport.co. That's it, we're out of here. Catch us on the next episode. Where should we go next? Let us know in the comments. We'll hit you back. Say what's up. Come skate with us. Ride all day. Goose, we miss you.